What is an emergency kit and why is it so challenging to put together? In simple terms, it is a compilation of useful tools that aid in handling different emergency situations. The majority of people assign him the role of being an evacuation set and equip him accordingly. Depending on the region in which we reside, we may find ourselves compelled to evacuate due to a fire, flood, earthquake, or military threat that arises. He should ensure self-sufficiency for us for a minimum of 72 hours. Emergency situations also include quarantine and temporary power or water shortages. It is not possible to predict every eventuality, so the equipment should be universal. The basic emergency kit should include a first aid kit, personal hygiene products, thermal protection to keep warm, the possibility of sleeping comfortably, the ability to prepare a simple meal, access to drinking water, a source of light for illumination, communication tools for staying connected, and access to emergency information for staying informed. Summing up these elements can be a significant expenditure. Many, in order to save, make a substantial compromise in terms of quality. The quality of items in a bazaar during an emergency can be extremely disappointing and unsatisfactory. During the test, it will turn out that many accessories do not work properly or even at all. Lack of proper knowledge causes us to buy unnecessary, impractical, or items that we wouldn't be able to use correctly. Many people are discouraged by the time-consuming process of putting together such a set. In the upcoming episode, I will present 3 fundamental issues that we need to consider, and I will share the errors I made while assembling my initial emergency kit. It is important to be responsible.
Helpbag, be responsible.